Here are a few benefits of learning abacus. Enhances motor skills. As the instrument involves using hands and fingers for the beads to be moved around, it acts as a great brain stimulator. This improves the brain's efficiency and also stimulates the sensory organs too. Improves calculation skills. For many, a calculation may seem like a task, but if you learn abacus, all types of calculation would just be a cakewalk. Abacus helps in boosting the skills and makes one become fast at calculations. This is one of the best advantages of abacus. Improves concentration. Weak concentration can be hurdled for a lifetime if not corrected at an early age. Abacus is known for its ability to improve one's correction and help focus better. Improves problem-solving ability. Simple tasks like calculation or multiplication on the abacus enhances the child's problem-solving ability. With practice, one can master the skills and can become quick at it. Improves memory power. Working on the abacus with the beads to be counted and remembered helps in improving memory power. It also improves retention power that comes in handy in the long run. Reduces stress. Abacus can be a great stress booster and can help one release all the unnecessary stress. The stimulation of the brain can calm down anxiety levels and help one become stress-free within a few times of using the abacus. Improves visualization skills. The ability to do the mental maths perfectly can be enhanced by the use of an abacus. This is one of the advantages of abacus, leaning in that it improves the ability to imagine the abacus to solve a calculation, thus enhancing the visualization skills. Improves fundamental of learning. Nowadays, children remember better if the teaching is associated with an object that they could relate to. Likewise, when one uses the abacus, they imbibe the quality of relating to it while doing any type of calculation.